Today, I'm going to show you how to cook delicious mushroom-stuffed potato cakes called Zrazy. Zrazy is a popular dish in Poland, Ukraine, and Latvia. These crispy potato cakes are filled with tasty fillings like meat, cabbage, or, like the ones I'll make today, mushrooms and onions. Welcome to my channel, Cooking Show at Home. As always, you can find the list of ingredients in the description below. And while you're there, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Thank you. Let's start with the potatoes. I'll cook fresh potatoes and mash them, but if you already have leftover mashed potatoes, you can absolutely use those. Many Zrazy recipes recommend boiling potatoes unpeeled and peeling them later, but honestly, it doesn't really matter. I prefer to peel them first with a paring knife. It's easier for me. The key point is to remove as much moisture as possible from the potatoes. Wet mashed potatoes are hard to work with, so don't add any milk or butter to the dough. Cook the peeled, halved potatoes in slightly salted water for 25 to 30 minutes. Start on high heat, bring to a boil, then reduce to medium-low. While the potatoes are cooking, let's prepare the filling. Finely dice 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. A small tip, I always keep a bowl of cold water nearby and wet my hands while cutting onions and garlic. It helps prevent strong smells and tears. You can also use gloves. Dice about a dozen button mushrooms and sauté them in a non-stick pan without oil at first, until all the liquid is released and evaporated. Then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and continue sautéing until lightly brown. Sauté the onion and garlic with 2 tablespoons of olive oil until golden. Add the mushrooms and cook everything together for another minute. Check the potatoes. Once they're tender, drain them very well and mash with a potato masher or fork. Let the potatoes cool until warm but not hot. Then add 1 egg, 1 cup of flour. Mix well, season with salt if needed, and add freshly ground black pepper to taste. Knead the dough lightly. If it sticks, dust your work surface with a little more flour. Roll the dough into a thick log, about 3 inches in diameter, and cut it into 6 to 7 equal pieces. Take one piece at a time and flatten it into an oval patty about 1/2 inch thick and 4 inches wide. Place 1 tablespoon of filling in the center. Seal the edges carefully, dusting with flour if needed, and shape it into an oblong cake. Gently press to about 1 inch thick. Repeat until all the dough and filling are used. Heat a frying pan with 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, place the Zrazy in the pan about 1 inch apart. Fry for 3 to 5 minutes per side until golden brown. Adjust the heat to prevent burning. Serve the Zrazy hot, garnished with sour cream and fresh herbs like dill or parsley. Enjoy, and come back to my channel for more delicious recipes from around the world. Don't forget to like this video, and bye!